Hello everybody, in my channel today we have a new exponential equation, very tricky question. When the bases are different, so and power are also different, how we calculate this result? 2 exponent of 3x minus 15 is equal to 5 exponent of x minus 5. So very tricky and question, both base and power are different, so how we can find the value of x is unknown. And this type of question, first of all we can expand. We are taking the like term of their exponent. Here 2 is the base, and here we are taking common, 3 is common, 3 and 5 multiplied by, we get 15. Similarly, and 5x minus 5. Now if we divide, and this same term we can write by addition, and we change their power into according to their rules. If we change this one, so what will happen? This one 5 is equal to 5 exponent of x minus 5. So we have the rule of this one, a exponent of mn is equal to a exponent of m whole exponent of n. We can write this term and according to this condition. And here now we can get in here 8 exponent of minus 5 is equal to 5 exponent of x minus 5. Now dividing both sides by this term or this term, that is your choice. So we can divide 8x minus 5, and 5 exponent of x minus 5 is equal to 5 exponent of x minus 5, and 5x minus 5 both are cancelled. This one is we get 1. And here the power are the same according to this formula, a divided by b exponent. So we can write a exponent of m and b exponent of m according to 8 divided by 5 whole exponent of x minus 5 is equal to 1. And here is the base is 8 divided by 5. We can write this one, 8 divided by 5 whole exponent of 0 is equal to 1. Now the bases are same, so we are comparing their power. X minus 5 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 5 is the solution of this question. So if we want to verify our answer is correct or not, so we are checking. Now we want to verification, check our answer is correct or not. 3 and replace of x we put 5 minus 15 as equal to 5, and x is 5 minus 5. So 5 minus 5 we get 0, and here we get 3, 15 minus 15. So and here is 1, and 3 exponent of 0 is equal to 1, 1 is equal to 1. So our solution is correct, x is equal to 5. Thank you very much for watching. Please comments on this video. Thanks again for watching.